cholera outbreak, typhoid fever. It was definitely a scare in the East Coast states recently in the newspapers and television news. From the waterborne cholera and typhoid fever to modern concerns of excessive chlorine, the quality of our water supply has been a concern. You can easily get typhoid fever if sewage contaminated with S. typhi bacteria gets into the water supply used for drinking or washing food. 2 to 5% of patients will become permanent carriers. US Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. Are you willing to expose your family to this risk? How can we best protect our family from waterborne diseases such as these, apart from other chemical pollutants and the unsightly murky sedimentations? The best way is by an effective point-of-entry POE filtration system. Water filtered efficiently as it enters our home. Conventional sand filters are only capable of filtering particles to about 10 microns in size. This means rust particles, mud and sediments are removed, but the biggest threat, the dangerous pathogens, are left in the water coming into our home. Now, with the latest technological advancement of membrane filters, we can effectively remove even harmful microorganisms, as membrane filtration is able to remove particles as small as 0.01 micron. Clean, clear and healthy water is then supplied to the entire household. Such an effective and efficient filtration system greatly benefits the entire household in many ways. It prolongs the lifespan of indoor point-of-usage water filters, as the water is already pre-filtered. Enjoy stain-free laundry and general household cleaning with cleaner, clear water. Cooking, brushing your teeth, gargling, rinsing, showering and washing with biologically clean, uncontaminated water truly gives peace of mind. Utilizes premium quality hollow fiber membrane from Germany. During the filtration process, incoming raw water flows into the H2O inlet and passes alongside the hollow capillaries of membrane. Pollutants and other harmful microbes are trapped outside the walls of the capillaries, while pure water molecules, smaller than the pore size of the membrane, are allowed to pass into the capillaries and eventually into your home. During a backwash, the trapped pollutants and harmful microbes outside the capillaries are flushed out. Is packed into a compact and sleek double-wall housing. Inner casing is made of thick ABS plastic. The outer casing is made from premium quality stainless steel. This ensures that it can withstand pressure as high as 10 bars or inconsistent water pressure levels, strong and sleek. This system can either be installed vertically or horizontally, wall or floor mounted. Its space-saving design allows it to be fixed in the most space-challenged environment. Whether it's a landed house or the apartment or condominium riser room, installation is not a problem. Maintenance is also a breeze. Flushing of sediments is automated backwash with a battery-energized, digitally timed controller. The duration and frequency of backwashing can be programmed to suit the demand of backwash, depending on the quality of raw water supply coming into your home. Each backwash takes only 1 minute, saving tremendous amount of wasted water. Manual backwash may also be performed as and when necessary, really hassle-free. Now you can have peace of mind that the water supply into your home is consistently clean, clear and contaminant-free. The preventive nature of a water filtration system greatly warrants its relatively small cost. Truly, an effective point-of-entry outdoor home filter is worth more than its weight in gold. For crystal clear, 99.99% bacteria and virus-free water for your entire household. Troubleshooting and maintenance. Simple troubleshooting may be performed should the problems below arise. If water pressure is lower than usual, there could be 3 reasons. Firstly, check battery of automated timer. If battery has run out, simply replace with a new battery. Secondly, incorrect controller setting. Only a maximum of 4 backwashes per day on a daily basis, with a duration of at least 1 minute per backwash can be programmed. The third and last reason is caused by the lack of supplementary manual backflush on top of the automated ones, especially for very sedimented and poor water supply areas or after a water supply cut. Simply perform a manual backflush, select manual override, repeat several times until water pressure returns to normal. This helps to optimize the performance of your water filtration system. If you've set the backwash to only 1 minute, but water keeps discharging after that, just remove battery and wait for at least 5 minutes. Reinsert battery and reprogram controller settings. Press manual override button and you hear a click sound. When you press controller buttons and the display remains still, just remove the battery and wait for at least 5 minutes. Reinsert battery and reprogram controller settings. If the time displayed is not current, simply reprogram it correctly. In the unlikely scenario that there are leakages to the filter or its pipes, you may control the problem by activating the bypass system.